Today I'm upgrading this PC. A client of mine gave me this to upgrade from a 256 of storage to a 512. So this is currently on a 256 storage. As you can see, it's 256, 256 gigabytes SSD storage. So to begin with this, to upgrade the storage of this PC, start by shutting down the PC. It uses, this is the bit for the screw, an Allen key. So and mostly use this to make the job neat, not to have scratch on the cover. And that's it. Oh, this is dirty. It's very dirty. So this is the storage. This is the 256. I have a vacuum cleaner that also does bluing, which is in one of my previous videos. So I'm going to use that to clean this PC before I start. So before I start anything, I have to disconnect the battery to not cause a short circuit on the board. So I'm clean this now. Let's go about to taking out the SSD out. So this is the new storage. This is 512. Take this out. This is the new one. Just replace it the way you took it. The other one out. The old one out. Press gently. Then this. Screw back. That's it. Then before you cover it, don't forget to return the battery connector. So I'm going to use my previous bit, which is this Allen key. Return it back. Then get my screws. The PC is on. So I just installed the battery back. Then that's not all. You would have to install a new operating system on on it. So I lost plug battery charger to it. So it's already complaining that there's no bootable device on it. So that's why you have to install a new operating system on the PC. So there's also a video that shows how to install an operating system on a PC. So this is my flash drive, is bootable already. There's a video too to make a USB bootable. So you want to plug it, then also press the F9 key. There you see the screen flash comes bright a bit. There's a backlight on it. Press the F9 key, then exit. So you want to click on this UEFI USB disk, this, enter. So that's the new storage size. It's now 512. Let's zoom in closely. So that's the 512 storage. So thanks for watching.